What's up, guys? I'm here to fit some parking sensors to this Kia Sportage I'm about to show you. Yeah. I'm gonna paint these with black soon, so this is the last few days of them being painted all funny and that. That's a parking sensor kit, and that's a Kia Sportage. Now, with the design of the car, I'm having to make a little adjustment to my style. I'm gonna fit one sensor here, one sensor there, one sensor there, and one sensor there. And when I'm looking, I can see that's a rear fog light, that's a reverse light. So we'll get the wire in from there, connect up, and run the wires inside, and then that's it. Easy money. Let's see. Look, I just drilled in 4 holes real quick. Time to get cracking. Right, so look, I've got my sensors in. Yeah, this is just my wires, and I'm gonna come through into the car. Look, I've taken out the whole interior. Look, it's all on the floor. Taking it out, pull this panel back, and then I've got this one here, and this is gonna be the entry point into the car. So wires gonna come in through there now, and that little bit of wire that you see coming through there, that's actually going to be the reverse light wire and the rear fog light wire. So this is to find out which one's which. You know, reverse light there, rear fog light here. Find out which one's which, connect it up, put the speaker so that it can come through and be heard quite nicely, and I'll be gone. This is the Kia Sportage reverse light feed. It skips a big part, I guess, like showing you like the sensors on that plugging into the control unit, but that's a completed job. Tested it and it's working. So I've just got to put everything back together, and then I've got to try and sell. Like, I've got these matte black sensors here. Okay. Right, so this is the finished job. Put a matte black sensor in the matte black areas of the car. You see it, and then the gloss black areas of the car. So you got 2 parking sensor kits in one job. I'll put everything back in the interior. Yeah, you can't tell that I was here. There's no mad wires anywhere, nothing like that. Now this car has a factory fitted reversing camera, so you can see quite easily how these parking sensors work. I didn't fit the camera, just letting you know. It's just going to show you that the sensors work from the minute it's touching the blue.